Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From here, you want to scroll down to Battery and Device Care. Tap on Storage, and by default it will show you the internal storage, which is the one that the phone has built in, but you can swipe to the left and this will then display SD card. Now in here, click on the three bars and select Format. This will bring up a message letting you know that Format SD card will everything on the SD card will be erased, so just either format it right now, or if you have anything on it that you would like to preserve, to make a backup copy of it beforehand. But I'm just gonna go straight to Formatting SD card, and should be right about done. And there we go. And that's it. So you can close this and you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.